Hello, welcome to. I am just fresh from Singapore Comic Con yesterday. It's Sunday right now. It's can't remember the time. Maybe 11ish a.m. So Sunday is the last day of Singapore Comic Con. Let me apologize in advance. I will constantly be having pauses because the connection isn't that great, my Wi-Fi connection. But nevertheless, I am reviewing a toy that I managed to get from Comic Con, and it's from MEEZART Studios. Yeah, created by MEEZART Studios. This is the header tag, bag with header. It's a soft launch. There wasn't any pre-event announcement. They just opened up shop there lah. So pretty cool. And this is the card. Let's have a quick look at the card. You can see it's three characters. You can see three characters. There's a story behind all these. Check out with the guys at the booth, and I'll tell my version of it or what they told me shortly after this. But before that, let's unbox the figure. Okay, the card. Ooh, always very painful to open tagged headers. Yeah, I don't want to tear into them like I used to when I was younger-ish. Tag, zip bagged. Always appreciate that. Tag. This toy is two parts. The main figure and the head. I'll tell you the reason for them later. Unbag them all. Hey, hi Raymond. Sorry, coming back to the figure, I was very surprised to see this. And because the last time I saw them was at Pop Toy Show Singapore just a few months ago. But now, this is the full-on vinyl colored version. This is the OG colorway. Articulation at the neck. Arms. You can see it. And the legs. And this is the head. The head is poppable. I'm not going to pretend to pop here. Probably going to use a hair drying machine, heat it up, pop this head out, and pop this head in. Okay, the story. Now I'll share with you the story behind this figure. This is a card that will come with, or you can take away from. Let me shine a bit of light. Okay, the story goes, SHO is this character, or rather see the realms beyond death, life. So this is his angel guardian. When he looks around, everybody has a spirit attached to them, and they're all evil. And SHO is scared, so his guardian gave him a mask, or rather a box to cover his eyes, so he won't see the evil guardians. And that's the story of SHO and his cardboard box head. You check out their Instagram page for the full story rundown. I'll add it in the description subsequently below, so you can find out more about SHO. So from what I talked about with the creators before, basically SHO, this character, is a bit of a hype beast. He loves sneakers, and then these are sneakers that he loves, and he follows the trend. He tries to be trendy, but at the same time, the character, and this is his mask that he replaces to not see the evil spirits or spirits around him. So this is like a box, which creator Eric has mentioned, co-creator Eric has mentioned, that he was influenced by Michael Lau, which totally understand if you understand Michael Lau, or you know Michael Lau's discography, if you would call it toygography. It's he has a box-shaped character head. So with SHO, this is a sort of inspired by him, but at the same time, it's a character designed in Singapore by Singaporean designer, and it's a Singapore-made final toy. and it kept follows the spirit of urban vinyls back from the early 2000s, along with the Michael Lau inspiration. So pretty decent. And probably this is where the body, a bit of blemishing here. So obviously paint and the body, when they're painted, then they attached. So it's not as clean as you expect it to be. But once it's standing, you won't know the difference lah. Right? Does it make sense? Curly hair, dude, this brown haired tee. And if you see from at the booth at the Singapore Comic Con, that the artist has actually custom painted on the tee itself, the front and back, and it's a perfect, I would say, vessel for any design. So even if, let's say, as a mascot or as a collaboration, get the hint, collaboration, you have your brand's logo on the t-shirt itself that the Hypebeast SHO collects. Hey, that's perfect, man. It's a perfect vessel. Whether or not the tees change or colors change or even the shoes change, it's all rock and roll, man. Check out the booth at Comic Con where he has a blank version, color blank version, which I really like actually. Blank version, a yellow blank version, and a clear version of SHO. It would be nice if the clear version is filled with small little shoes, man, since it's such a hype beast. I imagine SHO having dreams of shoes in his and at night when he sleeps, and it's just filled with miniature shoes. I think that's pretty rock and roll. But yeah, nevertheless, this is SHO. Let's do another turnaround you have not seen before. And SHO is available at Singapore Comic Con Basement 2. I'll leave the cargoes. I'll leave the booth number in the description below. Oh, nice. You can see the grooves of the sneakers. Very cool. No print though, bros. I don't see a marking for the character. Bit of a waste. I mean, that to me is one thing that helps me identify who made what and when. And then that is, to me, important as time marches on, and there comes a point when there is no reference that you can find online or in such a way that you need to find need to identify the figure or who's the make. Then to me, yeah, having a print on the figure itself makes a difference to me, at least to me. And with that, I'll end this review, unboxing and review. Thank you all for, again, I apologize for the constant pauses because I think the filming pauses lah. And it will reach a point in time if I cannot solve the Wi-Fi situation, I'll just pre-record everything and there will not be lives. Of course, the video paused immediately after that. Thank you for watching. Check out SGGC Singapore Comic Con, the last day today, Sunday, December 8th, 2004. Enjoy yourselves. Bye-bye.